I've pinged.
Very nice, very nice.
Yes.
Oh. Let's see quickly, when do I... Okay, good. I think what we'll do actually for now is we will just load in basic cubes and planets so we can get the multiplayer work instead. Put effort into that.
Really?
You get me?
No. Also, you should use web GPU.
No. Wait, how does it...
Bro, I made an entire renderer in web GPU in like 300 lines. Sure, no texture support yet, but
And that doesn't matter, but the next generation web standard, does it have web GPU
native.
shader?
Yeah, it has
object?
its own language. Yeah. Shader object? Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I don't think it has that.
Create shader module. Well, this is AI generated response. Hello, penguin
I
operator.
don't think it's that modern because it also got to like be compatible with, you know, OpenGL and shit.
Mm,
So it's a bit of a downside. But I think it's worth it.
no, I would consider using it honestly, but I would also like to try these modern features. So if that's not there, then I'm not really sure if I would like to use it.
Right.
Let's see. Is there? Do you have? Wait, can you show me a demo like of your code?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, they do have a hello triangle here.
Yeah, but that's like 100.
TypeScript, okay.
Yeah, exactly, bro. I didn't write it in TypeScript. I wrote it in Rust. I'm just kidding. I wrote it in Zig. Alright. Are you looking?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay. Zig, build, run, right? I'm also using yes.
Yes,
for this,
that
so
makes
I'm
sense.
probably... Alright, it's because I'm actually doing changes to yes. Wait. I'm like adding cursor stuff. Wait. List.
It's like the best. That's not confusing at all. Making changes to yes. Great.
Yes. Yeah, I'm like adding cursors and I'm like using the path, so it means that it just automatically has the most updated yes, which doesn't work right now.
Yes.
Wait. Hold on. Wait a minute. Cursor. Alright, it's...
I'm just gonna check quickly. Wait.
Okay.
Wait. I need to
No,
ask.
wait.
Gilded about rotors.
Okay, now it's not launching. Wait, but...
Interesting. The Stream Fighter sim doesn't seem to be doing the thing it's supposed to be doing. I'm gonna restart it real quick.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What? Got a reaction. That's crazy.
There.
Right. Yeah, so I'm like doing some texture stuff right now, right? But I haven't. Wait, I gotta find a image on my system.
Wait, you have a GFX pipeline in it and an embed file. Hello, not a noob.
Yeah.
Why did you... you came to remind me to drink water? Is that why you're here? Okay, I'll drink.
Okay.
So wait, you initialize a pipeline with the shader. Is it always a graphics pipeline in that case, or how does this work?
Well, yeah. I'm pretty sure that's... But I think there are compute things.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay, massive lossless. Wow, that's a great texture.
That's awesome. Hell yeah!
Uh,
That's good, so I don't forget to drink water. It's really important to drink water so you don't die or something.
Yeah. Let's see here. This should just work.
It should just work.
Texture, init, context, got dive.
Well, while you do that, tell me when you got it. I will do some other things in the meantime.
Sure. Yes.
I wonder where should I put a kind of like a mesh initializer that can initialize just a... I guess I could put it in mesh.zig by default to have... Yeah, because I already got this thing in here, which... So it would contain kind of like default meshes that you can use. Remind your friend to... Yeah, Harold, you should drink some water. Water is good for you.
I was thinking about drinking water, but I'm coding.
Yikers.
I know.
So I think what I will do... I will go into source, client, render, Vulkan. I know this is probably not the best way to do this, but... Make their... meshes. Like so. Yeah. And then we'll touch box.zig. Should I make it a... No, this is just a... And touch planet.zig. That's what we'll be using to begin with. So here... I think what we'll do actually is we'll take this and then we'll tell it this will provide to AI. Can you make a cube out of cube but using this one? And actually let's also provide how the structure looks like, otherwise it will be confused. Yeah, because it's until we get to kind of that point, I won't update the current project because the previous project is still cooler, you know? Let's see, I think we can take that like so. And we can put it in there. And this will just have a const vertex at import, and then it will be mesh.zig.vertex, like that. And yeah, Then we can go to the Vulkan over here. And when we initialize the mesh in here, we'll also include. Oh, it almost would be better. Now, we can do pub const box is equal to at import meshes box.sig. Add Epstein Island in your game. Don't you use any game engine for this? No, I don't use a game engine. The Epstein Island. I mean, we could. That would be not fun. Nah. Box dot indices array. And then box dot vertices array. Let's see how bad this goes. Build run client. That doesn't look quite right. Why is it rotating along? Right, that's why it's rotating along those, because these points are... What did it actually do for the box? It put them positions, so it put them in the origin, I guess. Well, that's okay.
Okay, Lucas. So I basically just removed the texture stuff because I haven't figured that one out yet, but yeah.
Alright. Wait, no
Yeah.
wonder why GTA 6 keep delaying. Yeah. Alright, show us.
But they use DirectX anyways. So now we can run it, right? Ta-da!
That's crazy.
It's a quad, and you
Why-
can see my FPS is slowly declining.
Why is it
don't ask about
so
that.
low though? Jesus Christ.
What do you mean low? What?
It's just
What
a
is low?
quad. You literally just have a quad. Well, are you using mailbox or what are you using for percent mode?
Well, on Wayland it's mailbox, yeah.
Which language should I learn first?
Sig. Alright, great.
It doesn't really, like, I wouldn't, whatever you want to do, I guess. I don't think there's an optimal route, except for if you do C or Sig, you will learn about how code actually works under the hood.
If you don't care about that, just learn Go. Okay, great.
Or learn whatever you want that you need. I would say that's the best approach, but yeah, C. I think C is probably like, because C is still stable, Sig is so unstable I wouldn't even recommend it to anyone as a first language.
Says the guy who uses Sig, right? Okay.
No, as a first language.
As a first, nah, bro. I think it's extra good then because you learn new stuff. You know, when your shit gets removed. Yeah.
I guess.
But Lucas, this quad here is actually using vertex buffers and index buffers.
Yeah, I see.
So it's quite impressive, I would say. Actually.
I wanna get laid. Now tell me which language. Oof.
Ooh, none of them.
None of them. Sorry, man.
Yeah, those two things are not possible.
Yeah,
like
you choose either
no.
or. You cannot have both.
Yeah, exactly. You can't have both. You gotta make the decision. Yeah,
No.
because the entire thing is like 500 lines, and as the texture stuff is without the texture stuff, it's 322 lines, right? Yes. So I'd say it's pretty small. It actually is kinda good, if I'm gonna be honest. Like you just make this instance, right? Then you make this adapter, which is kind of like the physical device, and then you make the device, which is like the device. Then you get the queue, and then then you configure the
How many?
surface.
If you git clone my project, how many FPS do you have on that? Do you have
good
render
question.
docs? Because I don't run any FPS detection. I just see through render docs.
I don't, but I can still code from here.
Okay.
Let's see, Lucas.
Out of
That's
syllabus
correct.
question be like, wait, what? Python out of a syllabus?
None of them. So, what branch? Master?
Yeah, master.
Okay.
Hello, fine gentlemen.
Hello there.
Hello, hello.
What's up?
Hello.
And
What's
T-Chef,
up?
damn, everybody's joining now.
Bro, I have 4 VS codes open right now.
I was already there before, you just didn't notice.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
damn.
hello. Damn, is it, wait, is it kind of, it's Leon. Yo, Leon, what's up?
I only joined because I saw Leon is there, bro. No way. I
That's
joined.
crazy,
Like,
man.
where? Events.
That is kind of crazy.
Yeah, true. I joined to tell Harold, join Vintage Story.
Yeah, I don't know when that's happening, but
Half an
Yeah.
hour, come on, dude.
and that's not really how I work.
Oh, I'm just checking the
Ah.
stream, missing the Lucas POV.
Okay, very stable software. Shader C, shared, bro. I don't have this.
Oh, shit.
That's
That's a yikers.
Yes.
Oh, another
No,
person.
it's cheesecake.
Is cheesecake
Cheesecake,
here?
you gotta rate my logging thing in
Bro,
a second.
Damn, everybody's here.
Oh yeah, he's from you again, still.
Wait a minute. Shader C. Bro, usually it shows up like if I do like I don't know like random like T, you know, it will probably you see like sudo apt install T, but there's nothing here, bro.
Oh,
Bro, how do I
not,
install shader
not
cross?
Abu, not
Lubas.
a noob 69.
I just spirit tools and use. Okay.
Uh, uh, uh,
I think if
What
you
do you
install
mean?
it
Spurvy tools.
GLCS,
Okay.
just do that, yeah, and it will. And then GLCS. What? Okay.
Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't work. It doesn't work.
But did you?
Cheesecake.
Don't you have to choose? Like, okay, wait.
Have to choose. What do you mean?
You're on which one? Ubuntu?
Yes. That's like Ubuntu / Debian. Or GNU plus Linux. Yes.
Yes.
I mean, Lucas, you should make your own OS.
Exactly.
You should make your own computer, your own processor.
Oh, true.
When are you getting that?
Yo, what's up, Sir Bozo? Also, Notabule says, hello to Leon, my favorite character.
What do you mean, my favorite character?
Wait, how do you... Because for me it was... I just got it from Pac-Man.
Yeah, Cheesecake sent me something, but...
Yeah, I use Brave. I'm very brave. Not really.
Brave is not good.
It's outdated as hell because I don't update it because it takes freaking
Same.
hours.
Cheesecake, you've lied. There is no such thingy. I don't see it. It's a lie. I think you can. There's like a shader C like.
Yeah, more. There's downloads here for Linux.
Downloads.
Yeah. Okay. Here, I'll send it.
Huh?
Where the fuck did the chat go? There. There you get it from.
1 second. 0.
I don't know. I think I also did that installation. I'm not sure. I don't remember, to be honest.
I got us here.
Well, you're doing
Linux.
that. I will continue.
What do you mean clang GCC? Bro, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna fix this for you. I'm gonna install this through Zig instead, okay?
Okay, you can make a
Save
PR
shader
then.
Zig. Yes.
Also, Lucas, what are you currently working on?
Currently I'm working on getting mesh loading to work. Yeah.
Okay.
Why is it rotated?
And what
Ah.
are you going to do with mesh loading? You
Uh,
just want to load some mesh?
Wait. X. Yeah, I want it on the x-axis. Yeah, I'm gonna change it so that it will work with multiplayer, right?
Mm.
And then, actually, let's X, Y. I think we'll put all of this at. No, I cannot do. I should add camera movements now. Wait, X. I'll put this one at 0, and then I will go Y. I will go up 1, and I will go backwards 1.
Cheesecake. Oh, damn.
It did not update. Why not? It should update that. There, now. Yeah, so there is actually a cube now. Good. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is to make the planet generation mesh work, and then I'm gonna make the cube. Just cube, and then we're gonna make multiplayer so we can try hot reloading on multiplayer. That's what I would like to try out quickly. So hello Toza. Oh, so much progress since I was last here. Hello Kayal as well. See, I'm not a noob. Alright, so wait, Harold is still Planetary Sigma sucks. What the fuck, this guy? Okay, somebody ban this guy.
Because he did what?
Because he said,
Okay.
yeah, that's unacceptable.
It's based to ban him. We should execute him.
Yes.
You should say you should find his house and then we launch a missile. We
Yeah.
build a missile on stream and we launch it to his house. Next
Yes.
Lucas project.
What? Now he's just a menace. He's everything shit. Everything is just sucks right now.
Where is his channel?
Man, Cheesecake, you woke up on the wrong side of the bed or something? Wait, X. And then I would like to take it on the Y axis. So it would be 1 over here. And then I want it to be kind of like, I want it to rotate in this direction. So it will be a -1. Let's see if I got that right. Wait, what? What does it say? Local. Right. How should I actually do this so it's proper? This is probably so wrong, but it's okay. It's not good.
Yo, you got a cube now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even see that.
Neither did I. We'll do this. I think that should be fine, but it's not fine. Can I actually not do a dot rotate here? It should still be a transpose. Actually, I cannot. Well, I could do that. I guess that's fine. I'm not sure actually about it being fine, but... Well, now it's gone. Oh, shit. Okay, well, there it is now. It's at the wrong spot, so... Yeah... We cannot do this. It's okay, I should probably get so I can actually move. That would be... Okay, that's interesting. That should not be like that. Why is it doing that now? Okay, don't know. Harold, how is it coming along?
I can't really find anything for Zig that isn't made by that guy who uses trunk as main. That shouldn't be allowed to use Zig, and it should be put in a mental hospital, right? Nah, so I'm trying to build it from source, which is proving to be fantastic because
Wow,
it's
that's
Google.
good. That's good, that's good.
That was sarcasm, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Alright, cheesecake. I will send you the repo.
Maybe I should actually make the movement work before I do this. Yeah. Because this is, I would like to have more view, so to speak. What we can do is we can go into, let's see, systems, client. So we'll change it slightly in here in the update. Go to this thing. So now we should also take in, the info should also contain probably the world. So then we can access the world. Well, that will not be very good, but it seems to be fine, but it shouldn't be fine. And then we can go to the main. I don't know why it's shared. That's a bit... Well, that's the point of doing this. We will do it wrong, and then we'll understand that it's wrong, and we'll be very happy about it being wrong. I'm gonna put it with this thing. I think it makes sense. So var world shared dot world dot init allocator. We're gonna close this thing. So we'll get this thing, and yes, let me think. Then we'll have this information over here passed in as well. World is equal to world. Like so. We should probably make it a reference. That should be fine now, except that it's not a point. Wait. Expected root found type. Okay, so it's try. And the world.d init. And then we can just pass the world, and in the world we'll have transform. We should also have the camera. And then we can go, we'll put this to the side.
Harold, my logger is finished. Nah, it isn't. Probably when I will actually use it, I will realize it's completely shit. I need to change it. But yeah.
But Lucas, since when did we add shader C even?
Since I wanted to be able to reload shaders, so we removed, so it wouldn't be, so you wouldn't have to compile manually. It will compile during runtime.
Ah,
Yeah.
Do you mean
Okay.
compile during runtime? You ship the whole compiler? Or?
Sorry.
yes.
You ship like the whole compiler with your game?
Yes. No. Well, I guess for this actually, yeah, you would have to be able to have it. Well, we can change it to actually use compiled shaders once we get to.
But doesn't DLSLC also just have a runtime compiler?
GLC. Well, that's what we were using.
GLSL. Yeah, but doesn't that have like a runtime thing?
Well, you need GLSL C to be able to even. What?
Yeah. But like, yeah, you know, shader C, it's more like targeted towards multiple platforms and stuff. I'm pretty sure. So that you can like compile shaders for, I think like Mac also, and like DirectX and whatever.
Okay. No,
Or
I don't know.
am I wrong here? Fredo is typing.
I wouldn't know.
Shizgeek is saying something too. Yeah, I don't know. I can't get shader C to work, so I'm just not gonna do it.
Just gonna do what?
I'm not gonna do anything for now.
Damn, that's crazy. Yo, Zig code sucks, better wolf writing C++. What is the order? Cheesecake, did you woke up with the wrong side of the bed or something? Like, real?
He doesn't
I
have a
mean,
bed.
C, not C++, C, just C. Or
Yeah.
assembly. One of
Assembly.
the two.
Now we're talking.
But not x86 assembly, like 6502 assembly.
6502
Only
assembly is so simple, honestly. Like, is there like 20 instructions or so? I don't remember.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, you are allowed to use 65 C816 assembly if you behave.
Oh, what is cheesecake cooking? I can't do this anymore.
We do have. What do we have? We do not have. Ew, woo!
Can I see it?
Oh, thanks.
It's on height. Yeah, okay. You just go check on something one moment.
Yes, very much. So, what we're gonna do in this case is that we can say const camera world camera is equal to, and then we can go from info dot world dot dc query world camera. I don't know if I actually need to say. No, wait, this is just a query.
Okay, yeah, I will have to go. Maybe
Alright.
I'm coming back after.
Okay.
You.
See ya.
Right.
So-
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Sia, my first word.
Then we'll pass in the world camera and then info dot world like so, and then we should have access to I'm doing this correctly. I'm not feeling this should be wrong, but apparently I'm doing something wrong here. Ah, now I see what I'm doing wrong. Yes, and then we should be able to give in here camera dot you guarantee it. Transform position. And we'll not do this at the moment. Once view is equal to campos dot inverse, and then perspective I don't know what I'm storing. FOV radius. FOV radius, so this one is already in radius. Yeah. Radius. And what is this? We'll let that be that. Near, far, short. And then be able to go into main. For now, this will be fine. World.easy identity var right set type value world well, now it doesn't it's shared world camera no specific values on the world. All right, let's see. No field member. Let's see. Oh wait, set. Let's see, missing field world. Right. Why am I doing it so complicated over here? I can literally just pass in info.
Oh, I like the C code. It's so bad, bro. It's so bad.
Guys. I am presenting the 2026 quarter one. What are they called now again? The people who give companies money, so they do
Investor funding.
Exactly. Yes. So this is my investors meeting here, right? For yes, Q1. So we are here to present the latest AI features, right?
God.
So you can
And
see here, I have
just
my
because of
cursor.
that, I'm out.
No. It's not like that. It's not AI. It's AGI. Okay.
Oh, AJ, you would have started with that, man.
Yeah, my bad. So you see here, this is the I-beam from VS Code, right? And if I go over here, it's a hand.
No, that's crazy.
Yes, I know. It's really crazy.
Okay.
What?
There's a
Oh,
hand.
it changes cursors. I see.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yes, I'm doing cursor stuff, bro. You see that?
He's
See
cursing.
that? It's like really complicated actually for some reason.
Yeah, cursor. I mean,
Yeah, it's cursed, bro. Yeah, it's the like ownership of this is I don't know, man. It's everywhere. Yeah,
No
But that's
field or
fine.
member name get entity world entity get.
world entity gets yes.
Yes. Implicit pointer dereferencing. Use to dereference a pointer. Where am I getting Vulkan? Let's see. Now that one should be fine. Yeah. Query, what's it saying? Entity get. No field, what field? But this is not even from my code. How is this possible? Implicit pointer in Vulkan 390 here. Implicit pointer dereferencing, but which of these is actually? Because I just say get, and all of these none of these should be a pointer. So that's so funny. No field or member function called entity set. Well, that comes from the main. How do you add a? Isn't this how you add a component to a entity? Set, or is it not?
Have you added it in the world though?
Yeah, the world has here.
Heights. Yeah, go back to the code. The previous thing. Yes, identity, camera set. Yeah, but what is there? No field or member function named entity gets. Where are you calling
Well,
entity gets?
I'm not calling. It's from the thing itself.
Okay. Well, also that's another error, but we'll look at the bottom one actually. Right, the world, you have to do world EC. In the end there, you're doing world, but it's not the ACS world. Yes.
Yay!
Yeah, same thing wherever you're doing that shit.
That's I wonder, is there like where is the world? Isn't it in? No, it's in shared. I always forget. Okay. Okay. Easy. Okay. That's a bit annoying to have to do that, I guess, but let's see. Yeah. Okay, so now we could add some update logic for the player movement, so we could start moving around. Where should I put perhaps the... There should be like an input handler kind of thing, I'm thinking, right? That just a system that manages input, right? So just input that Zig.
Well, I mean, before we do anything, you know, you could just add systems that get in the events that are happening. You know? You could have like an event system, so like the window event, right? You can just pass in those, right? So it's like a key gets pressed down or whatever. Then it sends that event.
Do you mean callbacks or?
Well, I mean, you know, a system is kind of like a function, right? At least in an ECS.
Yeah.
You know how an ECS works.
Yeah, but I'm thinking like, how do you... Because for me, I'm thinking just running every update, because we need it to be hot reloaded. So then it would be in here just, when you call update, it updates all of the at once and then checks for what was happened last time.
Yeah, I mean, you could just add like a system, like context update event or something, you know, and you can like, that just calls all the systems that want the window events.
I mean, I think it's still easier to just add it in the system update, and then inside of systems you would do that basically, because then you can just take it in here and then do it in the order you want it to be updated. Or should it? Because otherwise you will have to expose another one of these function pointers and signatures and make another connection to it.
Yeah, but I mean, that's not very hard. Like, you have a load function that's like, it doesn't care. You can just add how much shit you want.
Yeah, I guess, but it's still, I don't know. Well, unless if there's like a huge benefit to having it not in the same, I wouldn't do it.
think there is a huge, like, just ease of use, really.
How wouldn't it be easier to not do it and just add an extra parameter to the info structure and pass it in there?
Well, what would that info be?
The info is right now delta time and elapsed time, and then the world. You just add another field to the info.
Okay. And what would that field contain?
The events.
The events,
Yeah.
like as an array list.
Yeah. Okay. So wait, you mean like in this thing, capturing the event in here and passing it into this thing as a separate?
It also makes it better actually for the renderer, because you see we're doing like system context renderer resize, right? So you technically can't change that one, but if you do like that, you know, we can just have that the renderer it subscribes to the events, right? And can just get the resize event and do whatever.
Yeah, I guess it.
I mean, I think it makes sense.
Yes.
Because otherwise you'll have to do like heap stuff and store events, which I guess you can do, but.
Well, I guess you could also do in the system you could pass in system context update here. You could also take in the event, so you would pass just null basically if there was no event, and that would just mean a normal update render. Otherwise you would pass in the event here and process it.
You can absolutely do it like that because apparently you don't want to load a bunch of new functions. Here.
Yeah, no,
yeah, you can do that.
Because you still would have to pass in the same information. So I'm just thinking it's just another function with that extra field either way, so why not just update all of them to use it then?
Yeah, sure. You can do that.
Oh, but shit. Do we need to include the window? Yes, then. No, it just needs to be included inside of system, because system then does whatever it's supposed to do with this information separately, right?
Yeah, and I mean the only thing you really need is the event.
Yeah. We can try that.
You know, I'm actually in here in the system. You can make an import for the event. Just make an alias like at the top.
Okay.
I would say. You already have yes.
Yeah. Or do we do this, or do we just keep?
Well.
Because yes
mean,
event
if
I think
you
is
want
no,
to-
I think I prefer yes
Yeah,
event so it doesn't some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they're not. It's not like yes.event. Sadly, I'm actually thinking about changing the structure a bit because you have to do yes platform window event. Yeah, which is a little. And I'm thinking about changing it to like just having yes window.
Okay. Should I? Does this have to now be a pointer because I do the?
You can make it a pointer. You can make it a. Yeah, exactly. Close.
Yeah. See, I remember. I'm learning.
Exactly. Slowly but surely.
Yeah. Yes.
Also optional.
Optional. And then in let's see, it will be this thing. We'll also have to take it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll add it there, yank it, and paste it. And then we'll also take it in here, context update, so we'll have it here, and then there we'll do, well, actually this, here you could do the switch on in system, no.
Yeah, you wanna do that?
Do we want to do it in here, or should we do it in here? Because this one is
absolutely. You can. I would probably switch on it in FFI. So in the real context, we can just do like update event.
yeah. But this should be good enough for now. We can, because we can hot reload the actual event later on. But like so, and then we can go back to main, and then this one will just take in a null here. And then in here we could do a, so
Yeah, you have to put
press
the switch. Yeah, but no, it's well, I guess you could
Or do you mean-
choose switch events. No, but
Yeah.
just like you see, currently it's just a switch directly after the capture. You can put like the switch in curly like in a block instead, so you can also do the event thing.
Wait, what?
You see, like right after the event capture, you see, it just does
Event.
switch immediately, right?
Oh,
So
yeah.
you can't do any other stuff. Yeah, you just
Yeah.
put the entire switch inside of another block of code, right? Or like a code block.
You
know,
the-
curly
yeah,
braces.
yeah, okay. When you say block, I'm always thinking about
Yeah, I know what you're thinking about labels and go-tos, but no.
yeah. Wait, am I doing this right now?
Yes, that's right.
Does it need a
Well,
semi?
I'm not sure about no semicolon because that's only when it's one expression. I remove the other semicolon. Like semicolon is to end an expression, but to end an expression you can also do the curly braces switch. Yeah.
Oh.
And at the you can do it after the switch, I think. Yeah.
So just in here doing system table. Oh my god.
I mean, you can just copy the line below.
Yeah. And then here we'll pass in event pointer.
Yes.
So that should be enough for it to run. I
Yeah,
think.
you can also like print in the system the events you're getting if you want to.
Yeah. Let's see, systems. And then we can go in here.
Yeah,
Okay.
about like make a context update function, like update event or event updates, you can call it whatever.
Yeah, we can do that in a bit. Just so this one should now call. Why is it not saving? Ah, because there's an error now. Why is there? Ah, because event is not used. So I can just event, but that should be any, right?
Yeah, or is a question mark, but any works.
And
Alright, guys, I think I will train now.
all right, good luck with the training.
Alright. Good luck, good luck.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of nulls, and
Yeah,
then
because we're not passing any events right now, but if you like click on the window or something,
oh, look at that mouse movement. Yeah, woo!
mouse motion.
Mouse motion. So what we can do is just. Do we do a switch perhaps on it as well in here?
No, don't do switch, you do it the ternary, okay? You just do a context update event function, right?
Okay, I will do that.
You maybe did not do that yet.
Function. And then update event.
Yeah, sure.
Event.
I mean, I would either call it like event update or like update with event, but you can choose.
Sell this, and we'll take also in info. We also need the event, perhaps. Nah, we'll do info first because that follows how it's done everyone
info,
else.
yeah.
And then we'll take the event, and that is yes.
Yeah, I really was I changed this. It's actually terrible. It's actually garbage. Like it works, but it's also like you know. Yeah. You can just like print the event in here or something if you want to.
Can take it from
Yeah.
here, put it in there, and then we can just.
And now we do ternary down here. Okay, great. So you can do if event not equal null.
Oh, okay. I was thinking of doing this if this else the other one because then you don't need.
No.
Okay.
We're gonna do this smarter.
Okay.
Okay. So if it's not equal null, then we do context. Yes. And then we do the update thing, update event. Yes. And we use pass in the thing. Also, don't forget to unwrap the event.
Why is this called? Whatever.
Yeah, why is it called data, not info, bro? Rename that shit. All right. And then you can also just do an else, no semicolon or anything there. Yeah, it's else here. Yeah, and nothing else. Nothing else.
Oh wait. So it like removing like that,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and then just save that.
Yeah.
That's
You can
okay.
also put it on new lines if you feel like it. But yeah.
There's an error on this. Error union. So we need a try. On both.
No, just
this,
put
this one needs a try or something.
No. You need to put it in parentheses, bro. Put it in parentheses from the start of the context at the start there until the catch.
That.
Yes, that should work. I feel like.
I don't know. Can you actually do that? That feels a bit. I think you need a separate catch.
Well, we can also do it in another way, which is that we save like you can just remove the parentheses you started, right? And then you assign this like before the if. Before the if. Use the const result. Yeah, and nothing else, right? And then you do the catch on a new line. And then you can do result and then catch. You just like do it on the var because it's an error, you know? Yeah. It's result is type result before the catch. Right, and don't forget semicolon after the context update thing.
What, you mean like this? Keeping it.
Yep.
Ah. Okay, I see.
I feel like that should work.
Yeah, and it did.
Yeah.
So now if I move the cursor
Mhm.
over there, we should see, yep.
Yeah, also try to pressing keys, bro. Press the keys. Yeah, bro, I'm so happy when I see that shit happen.
I'm just happy about the hot reloading.
Bro, I'm just happy about the window working.
That's crazy. Oh my god.
Bro, soon cursors and then mouse grab also, because that's important.
Wait, so this is quite interesting though, that it's like result, right? And then it's like
Yeah,
if
yeah,
it's...
this is interesting. I know, bro. Bro, I actually got to stream something to you. It's something I'm actually doing a lot.
Because isn't it like how? Oh, so wait, which line does actually execute the result? I'm so confused.
Well, you see, errors are unions,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
There is the unions. So basically, catch can happen anywhere really, like on an error union. So what we're doing when we don't do try or catch is that the value in itself is the error union also.
Yeah, but like where are we actually executing update or event update? Is it
On that line.
on this line? And then if it fails, it returns error
Yeah.
union to this thing, and then this.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah,
if this one actually executed, what does it return then in this case?
Then it's void, and then it won't be an error.
Okay. You wanted to show something?
Yeah, look at my stream, bro. This is it's kind of funny, actually, because some backstory is that I can't like the Wayland callbacks, right? They don't return like error unions, as you can see here, right?
Mhm.
No error unions. So how do I fix this? Well, I store an error variable, which is like an question mark any error null, right? And basically, because that's like either null or an error, you know, and we can check if it's not null, then we have the error. But you can technically like store like maybe error, right?
Yeah.
And this could be let's see, any error, like you could technically have like a type, whatever, you know, and you could also have a pointer to that. All right, so now I can do maybe error, and then a pointer, and let's say something else is like has control over the error stuff here, right? And this is just a pointer, right? So then if you actually want to access the variable in here, you go to try every time, right? And then you can access the inner field. If we made this into a structure instead, then we have like A as U32.
Yeah.
Now we can do the ref A, I think. Okay, I don't know. Minus P doesn't really like this, but
Yeah, no, that's starting to fire.
yeah, bro. Errors in Zig are so good, bro. They're amazing.
Woo.
Yes.
Pretty fire.
You. Bro,
Herbal,
like, you don't even know, bro. You don't even know.
Herbal is here. I want to make a suggestion for Discord server. Add a bot with link to both Twitch and YouTube instead of Harold's messages.
Yeah, I know. We should really do that. We're too lazy for that shit.
we then we need to. Well, I guess there's free bots for that probably.
Probably.
Probably, but okay, but this is pretty fire because I think we should probably still just, I don't know, I think should I probably have like camera movement or input still in a separate file that would now just process it from here, or
Yeah, I mean you can just put the camera in the system, right, and then just have it be subscribed to the events, you know.
Yeah, well, we don't have, but I guess we could create a system, or should I just, because it's still just input, that's Zig, I guess, or...
I mean, I would just make like a camera.sig, you know.
So then...
Or you can or actually make a system folder, and then in there you can put the camera.sig. And you can do all the camera related stuff in there, you know.
It's
Makes
it's a bit wait, because because right now shared has the camera like this so the world can use it, right? Which shouldn't be the case because the server doesn't need to know anything about the camera, right? It's just the client world that needs a camera. But the thing is that the definition is in the shared, so we should probably move.
Yeah, but the
the
world, the ECS should probably be like separate for the server and client, you know?
Yeah, it should. It should.
Yeah.
Maybe it should just be in system actually, if you think
Yeah,
about
yeah,
it.
just put the ECS in system.
Yeah. Oh, that
Because the
didn't-
server can do whatever it wants, really. I mean, it doesn't even need an ECS if you don't want to, like.
Yeah. I wonder why it crashed on exit. That's not good. Libc.
Let's see here. Libc, Linux.
System context. It went through the init on the thing. Maybe it was just because of the hot loader in general. Let's see if I now just start an exit. It seems to be fine. It might have been just because I added more stuff and it got confused about the whole init. Yeah, it's not the.
Could have been.
Okay, but yeah, we can take the world from here. Then we'll move it. Net can exist in shared. I probably still, but information is also pretty. Yeah, I think it's also very system specific. It's not a shared specific thing. So we'll take them both to here, and we will put it in. I guess we'll just put it for now in here, like that. And then, well, info will no longer be needed there because we got the info in here. End set will be from shared. Const, end set, shared, end set. And then, what is EC? Oh, that's used to be this thing, so I got it. EC unavailable. Right, I need to add EC to this. Oh my, look at EP chat, hack him now. 127001. God damn it, again I leaked my IP address.
God damn it.
Yeah, it's build client. Let's see, where do we have the system here? So it took in shared, but doesn't shared have the numc? Do you actually need to include numc?
Nancy? I barely know her.
Because yeah, shared does have this thing, but I cannot seem to. Well, but I can do it. No. They still use the same EC, I guess. Wait. So yeah, okay. So I will take the EC from shared still, but does that make sense? I think it makes sense because both of them will use same version of EC. They will just have slight modifications to it, but that can still be just EC like that. Yes. And let's see, that means the system will now be like this, and then we can go to main. We'll probably have some errors here, right? I feel we should have some errors here. Let's see. Yeah, this doesn't come from shared, it comes from system now. So I think we can actually change it to world immediately. Const world at enum. Word. My bad. System dot world. Like so. Let's see, what do we change? We change this to be that, and then this thing will be this. And let's see. Share does not, that's now in the renderer. Do we have systems inside of the renderer? I think that's almost a bad idea to do this now. Yes, I think also Vulkan uses the thing. Info comes from shared. So in that sense it was really nice to have info there, because I don't think I would like, well, is it cursed?
Hmm?
So right now in system, right, I have the infrastructure about the time and the world, right?
Yep.
But it's also needed inside of the renderer and then past to Vulkan as well. I need this infrastructure, which exists inside of system. Is it?
Why does it need the info? What does it need it for?
It needs so we can access the delta time, the elapsed time, and then also the world. So it can get the camera positions and this information from it.
Yeah, that's the thing though. You should. Well, I mean, it's fine. The info is a part of the systems, right?
Yeah, no, just wonder like doing import and then systems inside of Vulkan. Well, even though I just say I just need the information, I don't need the whole system, just this structure.
Just do it from like dot, you know.
Yeah, no, but I wonder it feels a bit odd to do it like that, you know?
Yeah, but yeah, we'll fix it later.
That's the breast the best approach.
Oh no, wait a minute. What did he say?
Alright. And still something wrong. Vulkan. Oh yeah, the world is also needed from systems. There. Now it's a bit better, I would say. Yes. So what we wanted to do was to create a. Oh, you were saying like a system folder with camera, for example.
Yeah,
I guess that makes sense. So here we could create a
yeah.
just lowercase systems or what?
System, yeah. Is system.
System
lowercase.
lowercase. Okay.
Yeah, all over. It's part of the
that's how you
namespace,
create
kind
a
of.
file. I forgot.
The file directory is same but different.
Let me just cd source cd client make the system make it, and then we can go. So now we should have a system. Woo! Source client systems, and then uppercase camera. That's it, because it would also be the structure, I guess, of camera, or just
Yeah.
namespace.
No, it's if it's a type, then yeah.
I'm thinking like, should I perhaps do, if we go to systems, move the structure away from here and also add logic?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that sounds good.
We'll close this so we don't. Okay, now it again. I have to look into, but it's unimportant right now. And then we can just change all these to these things, and we'll go to here, STD, and we'll take const and set share dot and set, and then we can go back to systems and hub const camera is equal to, and then we can say add import system camera, and then we can just assign camera to there, and they should still be the same thing, I think. Let's see, world camera, right? It's now system camera, unless if I would save it. BRB, right? Humper, it's gonna be BRB. Should I? Is this dumb to do it like this?
You can do it like that, I guess, but I don't know why, really. I mean,
Neither do I. Okay, no, it was just because I didn't want to. Well, no, I guess we could. Because I don't want to import system to every place. I just want to import the world. But if I'm gonna use the
well, you shouldn't, like, the systems should kind of just be independent, I feel like, you know, as a solution.
yeah, but somehow I need to get the information about. Then I should store information and camera, these things, because they are needed inside of the renderer as well.
Yeah, but the render is a part of the systems.
Yes. So it's okay to include systems, even because it's kind of funny that. Well, I guess it's fine. But it's funny that this one uses the renderer to call functions, and then the renderer uses stuff from the systems. I don't know, I think it's funny. Okay. What should I call this? Just update?
Yeah. Well, it depends. Like, if it's the one with the events, then it's update event. Or
Update event.
prevent update.
Should I continue on taking all of the information about? I also need the info delta time and.
Yeah.
I guess. So we'll actually just yoink this whole thing over here. We'll put it there. And then we'll have to take info. Const info equals at this, yes. Oh shit. So then we also need the platform for the events up in here. And then yeah. So what we can do here now is we can do if, or this one should actually be a switch. No, yeah. Oh wait, so these are just, okay, so they are not I thought they were enums, but these are just, okay. Oh. So wait, are events only like inputs events?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It's a tagged union.
Wait, what?
It's a tagged union, but you can do like event equals like dot mouse event if you want, or mouse motion. Anyways, bear be nothing.
Hmm. Could actually just be one that gets in anyway, so.
Alright, I'm back.
Good.
I got my my dinner also. Some cereal.
Oh, crazy. I think it's fine. I'm just wondering because what I used to do before with SDL was that I could just ask arbitrarily on every update, like what was the last key press and so on. I didn't have to like get by
Update.
event.
Bro. Update. Update, yes.
I need to update, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Zig, is it fetch? And then, oh my god, fetch. And then I'm gonna have to go.
Dash save.
Yeah, but I need to get the Sun version. Yes. Was it plus Git also, or was it without the plus?
Git plus, yeah.
And then I just wanna go to there. I don't want that part. Alright,
You gotta do dash save, I think.
I did dash save.
No, okay.
Yes. Why did I
Now
do
if
that?
you do need a window now though. You
Damn.
can pass it in the info.
Yeah, but the info is also used inside of the renderer, so now that's I could pass it in there, but I think it's a bit. What are we trying to do?
Go to main.zig. You see I added a little thingy. So now I can do window.keys. Or window keyboard actually.
I need to build once.
Yeah. Window keyboard and then you can like
What
Git,
the fuck is going on?
blah, blah,
Okay.
blah.
I just no what? So, and then window dot key. Why is it not? There, window dot keyboard. Get. And then keys.
No, it's to get.
Okay. We can set. How's it going, Sig Master? Oh, it's going good. It's going good. I think we're adding key press right now. We've got a mesh cube also, so pretty fire for that. But okay, and then here you can just ask for. Okay, so that's why you would like to pass the window.
Yeah.
I was thinking more or less like when you said the event stuff. Could there? I don't know.
The answer is no.
Can I get the? Because I don't need it on mouse.
No.
This is a bit bad somehow. Because I need to be able to every update to update the input anyways, no matter what, if there's an event or not.
Bro, the camera should just like store Yeah, bro. But yeah, I know. But in the event update,
Mm-hmm.
you can set like velocity or like direction, right? And then in the update, there you do the actual like position and stuff. You see?
No, I don't see.
Bro, go to the camera. Yeah, you don't need to store the key window. Yeah. Just have like if we have an update also, like a pub function update, right? And the only thing that the event update does is like set a direction. You know, so like when you press W, it sets the like X direction or Z direction to be +1. And then in the normal update, that's called every, whatever,
Yeah.
every frame. And then there you do that stuff. Yes.
I see now. Yeah, that would be better. Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. But will the camera then have... So this will be like process input, and then the other one will be
Actual update.
actual update, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, but that's more a player update. Well, yeah, I guess that's why you would have a player thing. Yeah, okay, I see.
Bro, it just makes sense.
How is it going? I'm rushing to start Vulkan. Nice. Harold, what are you eating? What's snacking on, Harold?
Cereal.
Cereal.
Yes.
That's
It's my dinner, bro.
Serious. No, that's not it. I just want the... Oh my god. Update. Like so. We'll leave it like that for now, but then we'll have this one, which is kind of like process update, I guess, then, yeah, or event update. Enjoy, yes. He will enjoy. Event.
Nah, don't do it like that.
Why not?
Well, I guess because the camera does need resize anyways, right? For the perspective correction.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it does.
I guess.
What are
Yeah, I
now
think
focus?
Yeah.
What is key and what's move? What's the difference between these two?
Move is actual window move.
Okay, and key is key press.
That's key press and key release. It contains a state.
Okay. So what can I do? Do
Capture.
I capture?
Yeah.
And is it
Just
this
like
one? Key.
Yeah.
And then key. What can I do with this? What is this information?
Make a block.
We'll do an else.
Yeah, it's else. You need the arrow also for else.
I forgot. And what can I do with key? What does it contain? Key the key.
Now you can do like key equals or key state. I mean key state.
Or do I do a switch also on this thing?
No. Just do key. No, key state.
What do you mean key state?
Oh yeah, you got on the reference event in the switch. Switch doesn't like pointers.
Ah, that's this way.
Yeah. You can do like key dot state equals pressed.
How do I know which key it
Well,
is?
you get sim. Key dot sim.
A symbol. Ah.
Well, actually, I don't know what it stands for.
What do you...
This is the common thing.
It's just, I don't know why it is like that, but yeah. That's
But what I would
fantastic.
do is do like if key state not equals pressed, just do return. Less indentation.
I will just add a. I'll just save this. Why is it? That should be fine. What? No. So. Then else. Return.
Bro, are you dumb? Just do it like if key state not equals press return, you know?
But
You
I
need to be
want.
smart about indentation.
So you mean. Bruh.
Because you don't actually care about the release events, really. Oh,
Not
you
that-
know what? Even better. No. Actually, even better. Even better. Before the curly brace of, yeah, here do just no before it. No, not that much. After the key capture, but before the, yeah. Here just do if key state equals pressed, right? Those pressed there. Yes. Great. And now you can remove that garbage in here. Just, yeah. BRB.
Alright. Actually, what we'll do for now is just the most basic, simple thing, just with. Because if it's that. Cell dot position, then x, y, z.
Okay, I'm back.
Hello.
You know, I wouldn't put that in a block. I would just have it on one singular expression, but...
Yeah.
You can actually do a switch on the key sim if you want to.
Yeah, I'm just doing the most basic approach to first just
Yeah, sure.
test things out.
Sure.
Camera. Or not, this is
Yeah.
query. Don't know if this is the way to go, but we're just making something work and then we'll make it better. Easy query. Then we're gonna get the camera.
What do you think about my ECS so far? I mean, you've used it quite a lot, actually, more than me.
Yeah, it's fire. I think you have made it better. Also, I think there's something that changed. I don't remember what it is, but it's a bit more compact.
I changed the name, so it's like add entity instead of... That's the only change I've done in like forever.
Let's see. I'm gonna call it just camera.
No while loop?
No, because it's for now it's just gonna be again a simple ass thing like that.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Then camera.
It's not try, it's optional.
Of course, I knew that.
Yeah, of course.
Camera dot and then. Wait, this is not. This is just the.
This is the entity.
Yeah.
You can just call it camera still and just do it like after the unwrap. Yes.
Yeah.
Way smarter.
I have to get the pointer. And then it will be camera. And then we'll give it the world, which is info.
Give it a world, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Got that to optional also. Yeah.
Event update. Info and event.
I mean, there are some things in my ECS that could be improved, you know? You could
Yeah.
like get pointer or null, I guess, would be better.
Okay. There's an error? Self is not used.
Yeah, just ignore it. All right.
I got. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh. And oh, it's EC. Oh wait, I did do EC. Ah, but EC and
On the other one. Yeah.
hmm. Well, okay, interesting. Let's see.
Just print in here. Yeah. Do a little
Uh,
print.
I will get rid of these things because it's a bit annoying that it's. Did I have another print?
Put a print in the like camera.
Yeah, no, I
outputs.
just want to get rid of the other one so it doesn't print when I do something else.
Okay, okay.
So let's see, event.
Just print when you press W. Yeah. See?
Yeah,
It
it
works
does.
perfectly.
Oh, it does work.
I think it's the speed that is really low.
Yeah. We're inside the cube now. Whoa. Okay, so then we can do an else if he
No. Switch.
even though it's okay, whatever.
Yeah, bro. See?
Switch and we'll do
Just a kissing. Yeah.
like so, and then dot W
Mhm.
will be this, and then we'll take this away from there. Like so, it's an
Comma.
Comma.
At the end, yeah. And there's else also.
item, and then else. And then we'll also do an S, which will be the same thing as this thing. Kind of.
You should probably store like a camera speed.
I do have a camera speed stored.
You
I just
do.
don't.
I guess it's like position right now, so yeah. No, never
Yeah,
mind.
I should have it so when I hold down, it moves, because right now I have to press spam it for it to.
Yeah, but that's, you gotta add the direction thingy. You know? In the camera. Like we discussed. before.
Oh yeah, and then based on that, move.
Yeah, in the update, you know. Yeah.
Let's see, we can just do it like this for simplicity right now.
Yeah, what you wanna do in that case also is normalize the direction, I think, also. At the
Right.
end.
Why is this one being problematic? Unused function parameter info. But it has always been. What? Info. Oh
It
yeah,
hasn't.
I was lying.
I know.
Look.
Fantastic.
That's crazy.
You like my windowing so far?
Yeah, I don't know, because right now I don't think it has issues with the startup. It worked properly. I don't know why.
Yes, exactly. It's just goated like that.
Yeah, very got it.
Very.
So this one would be like the this is the, I think it should just be key press and not direction, because otherwise, because I will have to do the calculation about the actual direction will have to move based on your rotation, right?
Yeah, but this is just a movement direction. Like a key. Well, it's not actual direction that you're going to move, it's the key vector, you know? The movement vector.
It's still a bit
Bro, just do it like that, okay? That's how you do it in big engines as well, you know? It just works.
but it should
just
store
works.
it should like store input, right?
No, it's vec free, and it just stores like a normalized. Well, it doesn't need to be normalized actually. It can just be.
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of like in big engines, because there you can do like input dot and it has registered in the input. Like it should be more like an input processing this thing, and then in here we should be able to access it in the update, just what key was pressed. And based on that we can do. You should be able to have like
well-
all of the inputs accessible.
No, not really. Like that is technically easier, but you could also like say that you should use Python because it's easier.
No, because that's how it's done in Unity and Unreal. Like you can just do input dot and then multiply the direction. You do the calculations.
Yeah,
based on-
but that's not how good input controllers are made, though.
Well, that's
Good ones actually use like a vector with the keys and whatever.
I think there's a concept about the player, there's a concept about the camera, and then there's another concept about the input processing, right? Kind of. I'm just thinking.
And the camera is the player, basically.
Well, yeah, because we will have the rotation work differently on the planet. The capsule player controller will be different from the camera perspective controller, kind of.
Mm-hmm.
So, I still think this should be more or less just input processing, kind of.
Yeah,
But-
it's what it is. It's gonna be input processing only. But you gotta like send the data of the input processing somehow, to the updating. And the best way is just avec free.
Should deck 3. So we would just here store in the camera kind of normalized it. I don't think we need to store it. Do we need to store it normalized? Why not just store?
No, don't store it normalized. I was dumb. I thought about another thing. I mean, you can store it normalized, but in this case, I don't think it's needed.
So just direction. And then a F. Oh, I don't know. I guess we just need actually it's a 3-dimensional array of bools. No, because it needs to be able to take 3 values. -1, 0,
Yeah, so a
and...
vector 3, bro. A vector 3.
But a vec 3 is larger than we need.
Okay, so
Because
you're saving like 2 bytes
Why?
of like a billion. And with this also, if you use a vec3, for like touch, or not touch, like gamepad in the future, it's also like better, right?
Yeah, very much. Because we're gonna make this cross-platform even to console.
Well, I mean, you can use a controller on PC.
Okay, so now we should be able to then change this one to self. Oh shit, time is a lot. Direction. And if it's W or S, that is the.
Just have it 2. Use 2, bro.
Yeah, that's 2.
Set.
And then it's on. This is now. Well, now we cannot do this anymore because we're gonna have to use both of these cases, right?
Why? Oh, I guess.
Wait.
Well, yeah, but there's a thing we can use. You can use tuples, so you can do like strength, and you can put that to be 1 if it is pressed and 0 if it is released. You can just set the self direction equals like positive strength or whatever, Just make a code called strength or power or something.
Shit.
Did you get that? No, bro. It's fine.
I was thinking
Bro.
because in SDL again, if you press the keyboard, you press both A and D at the same time. They will cancel out.
Yeah, but there's an easy fix for that also. It's called normalizing.
Okay. But what do you mean strength?
Yeah. Just make a constant called strength here.
Const?
Yeah. And then I don't know sure you spell strength like that. Okay, use power. It's called power. Okay, equals, and then if equals. No, you don't know. Just equals, bro. Yeah. If key dot state equals pressed, you do 1.0, else 0.0. Right? And then in the like W, self direction equals like power. Yes. And then
This one is negative power then.
actually
Or-
about the problem you were discussing there, we can
Mm.
just set the direction to be 0 at the start here. Yeah, that could work. Yeah, at the start before not at well in the key event, I would say actually. Yeah. Just set the self direction to be equals to splat 0.
But how... That... Then you will not be able to do multi-directions.
True. Oh, yeah, so well, the thing is, if we could like but I mean it's fine, bro. Just but I'm thinking if you do like plus equals, you know, but then it will be more and more and more. So
Yeah.
we can just clamp it. You know?
Yeah, that could work.
Yeah. Well, we can also use min and max, can't we?
Yeah, min and max could work, yeah.
On the actual thing. So then we would do self direction like 2 equals or plus equals or no equals
But the thing is that
and then max.
we want it to be on release if W... Fuck. We want it to be
Oh
0.
no, it's fine. Yeah, that's why we have the power.
Yeah, but how do you then... Why would you then use the clamp? If you never use... If you just assign it, and there's no point in clamping it. If you use clamp, then we cannot use the power.
No,
Because-
that's why we use min and max.
But why would you use min and max when we can only reach 1?
What do you mean?
Why would you use clamp in this case? Why, there's nothing to clamp. The only max thing we can reach is 1.
No, it
Or
ain't,
zero.
because the solution to your problem is to do like plus equals
Yes,
power,
but then
right?
then we cannot use 0 here because then we can never get it to 0.
Uh, mm, I mean, this ain't a problem. Like, you can just the order of the switch determines what is more powerful. You know,
Yeah,
plenty
but
of games have it like that.
I mean, but how do you stop moving? Because if I press W now and then I release W, it will just assign or plus minus 0. It will not like assign it to 0. So I will continue moving. I will not stop moving.
Can't you just do like -1?
On release.
Yeah.
So when I press nothing, it will start accelerating towards. Or
Yeah. Yeah. No, bro, okay, bro. If store the goddamn key state that you want. You know, we can just have a structure called like input, I guess, and that can just have like the move forward, and that can be a bool, and move backward, move right, move
Yes.
left, move up, move down.
Yes. So we need a separate input.
Well, no, we can store it in the camera.
Okay, so the camera will have. So it
An
will.
input map, I guess.
So it will be a keyboard, like SDL has it.
But it's only for the keys that are useful to us.
I think we should have the SDL keyboard. It's
No,
really
no.
it's so good. I don't get it, bro. It's so
It uses global state, bro.
That's the problem, but still.
But if you pass in my window in here, you can have it. All yours.
Yeah, but then we have to pass in the window.
Yeah, exactly. It's like what do you want, bro? Like just have an input map. It's also good because it's easier to make like rebindings and whatever.
Input map, like you just simple array of.
Well, not array. It's a structure of booleans, like forward, backward, right, left. You know, and this is bools.
Can I just? Do you have to define it once?
No, you can
before
make you can make an anonymous structure.
Can I just like structure like
Yeah.
this?
Yeah,
That's fine.
minus a semicolon, and also don't call it direction, but yeah.
Wow. I think direction is pretty fire.
No, I don't think so.
No,
No,
map.
not.
Like
not-
keyboard, key press, input.
No, you just call it input map. Or input state, I guess.
Map.
Okay. And not equals after that, we should have colon, because it's a type.
But you
And
just said
the-
not colon.
No, I said not semicolon.
Ah.
Yeah, and you need a comma there instead. Bro doesn't know the syntax like at all. Okay,
But-
just forward, backward, right, left, up, down.
Mm.
A ball.
It's a ball. Oh my days. Why can
I would recommend setting the defaults also to be false, so you can just have a default thing easily. Yeah.
Left.
Bro, it's always right, left, not left, right. What are you? Left-handed? Left pool equals right. Is right like true? You know, it's always right.
I cannot.
Yes.
Mm.
And then after the before the colon, not colon, the comma at the end there, you also just do equals dot curly braces for a default. Yes.
Wait, you mean like this? Here?
Yeah. Exactly. Just curly braces here.
That's some crazy shit right there.
I know. And then we just set stuff, you know.
So then in here we can now change that.
Instead, you do power to be true and false instead. You know? I don't know if power is the correct name here, but state, I guess.
Pressed.
Yeah, pressed. That's fair. That's fair. Well, in that case, you can just remove the if actually and just do key state equals pressed.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, is there only press and release anyways for
Yes.
the...
Yes. Yes.
Why would you have a state for both pressed and released? Why not just have one? Because you will always know it's the other. And if it's not this one.
No.
Okay.
No.
Do you have a? Do you also have held? Well, I guess you can get held from this.
No. You can get help from this, but
Yeah.
I don't because it's physically impossible on Wayland.
That's crazy.
It doesn't, like on X11 and the Windows, they send the key press event like frantically until you've stopped pressing the key, right? On Wayland it doesn't do that, it just sends like pressed or released.
That's crazy. So this one is forward, and then input map backwards is equal to pressed.
Isn't this just beautiful?
Yeah, this is way better. And
All
then
thanks to me, of course.
Well, we
yes.
still have to-
Thank you.
we still have to actually update this thing now.
That's not very hard.
Yeah. we have to do this in the update now.
That's fine.
Well, I guess. We do that before the renderer? Yeah, we do it before the renderer. And then just say update. It should have an up. Up. The fuck? Ah, no, I commented it out. I'm a bit of a funny man, you know. And then we'll change a few things. We'll have to take in. We're gonna do this. I like yes platform window.
It's so bad. I gotta change it desperately.
Do we have? We don't. I'm gonna change this to const system at import. Oh my god. System. And then we can take this thing. System info. And then we can go to there and we can do system camera. Well, actually, we already got the camera in here, so we don't have to query for it right now. So I can actually just cut it. And then we can remove one from there. And then we'll have camera transform, use of unclear identifier camera. This will be self. And let's see. Then we'll do that. And then here. Self. And these are now the forward basically and those things, so. Self
Exactly.
in. Whoa! Did you see that? Oh, that was crazy.
Yeah,
Forward.
they said that.
I'm just gonna quickly do one of these. Actually, why am I doing it so slow? I could literally just do.
You know, when I wrote this like camera controller code like 8 months ago, I did not expect it to end up in this this huge game here. And I did not expect a Finnish man to have control over it.
Yes, I have so much power. I mean, I'm Finnish. I'm Finnish man.
You are finished.
I'm finished.
What is that, bro? Input map backward, array indexing, STL, STL.
Don't worry about that. I will remove it in a bit. Okay, I'm just using it to think.
Okay. Okay, almighty powerful Finnish man.
I think maybe it should actually not be called forward backward. It should actually be called the keys because forward is not necessarily forwards always.
No. Well, it's just no. Just leave it be, bro. Because keys, you know, maybe the person want to have remap their keybinds.
Oh,
Right?
that's true.
Remap keybinds. Yeah.
So we should rename it to relative forward.
Well, no, like the entire input map is relative technically.
So we call it relative input map.
No, it's useless. I think you get the point, you know.
And then what we can do is this. We can do that, and then we will bam, 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 and then we'll just bam, and then
You missed one.
I did not.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Oh yes, bro. You can actually change the camera speed based on scroll.
Yes,
Yeah, I think that's a pretty smart idea.
I think so.
Yes.
Now we just need to actually make this work.
That's not very hard. Just make it work.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Move is just
No
the
problem.
direction that we would like to move. So then we can do self dot transform. Oh my god. That position is plus equal to move. I think that's how it's supposed to be. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But,
Yep, it's how it's
oh
supposed to
no! Ah, system.
be. Also, it might be transform position technically because movies are back free, I believe. But
Let's see. Use of unclear identifier event. Right. This one doesn't have the event, but it doesn't need the event. The event
No,
is
it
already
doesn't.
processed. So the event can go bye bye. Ah. And apparently I don't use this as well, so let's say bye bye to that. And there's an error somewhere. No, wait, we do use these things. Ah, okay, so they need to be constant. That was the only thing. Hello, Humple. Humple is back.
it's humble.
Yes. And oh my god, hate my damn thing. Okay. Then there's a few errors over here. This one doesn't seem to be used, which is weird. It should be used.
It was used in the right, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't know what you're
But
on.
now, here, why are they used here? It just said that they were not used. It's lying. Oh, because it's
I think this is not bar, yeah.
yeah. Bruh. It's lying to me, okay?
Nah, bro, you just can't read the errors.
No, I cannot. Oh my god, please. What is this? It's supposed to take in... No, it's fine. Let's go. Boom. And if I now press S... Okay, I don't know where
Just
we're at.
into the void.
Whoops.
It stands for like kill yourself. That's what that button stands for. It's the kill yourself button.
Log. Oh my god. I hate this.
it's the low.
Log.
Yes.
Debug. No, what was it? Print.
Yeah, debug. Broken never remember.
Bro.
Oh,
Bro can no.
broken no remember.
No, I cannot remember.
You know, it's like the move it, you know, like
Yeah.
movies. I can't move it, but
I
it's
can.
like I can't memory.
Okay, there's the position. Let's see. We want to be pretty much.
Delta time.
Yeah, let's. Don't we use delta
Times,
time? We do delta time.
We're
Velocity.
not using.
But the thing is, delta time is not accurate. Delta time is actually like it's. It's not delta time. It's a constant.
Okay. Maybe the speed is a bit high.
It's 500. That's
500, bro. I
No,
think we might have
I
found
think-
the problem.
No, the problem is actually the delta time. Trust me, bro.
No. Bro, the speed needs to be like 80.
No.
Bro.
Trust.
You're dumb.
No, I'm not.
You are though.
No.
Bro, you set the speed to just be like a normal ass value.
No.
80, bro.
No,
The
no,
speed
no,
should
no,
not
no.
be 800.
You don't
No.
get it.
Bro, put the speed to 80. Just trust me on this one, alright? Alright?
No. Because, bro, the delta time should be delta time. All right, that's the problem.
Bro, why don't you have accurate delta time? It's not hard.
Like,
Dumbass. Bro, set the speed to 80.
no. This is what I want the delta time to be, right? I'm just doing-
6, 7.
I'm just passing it in immediately instead of actually doing anything about it.
I think this destroys the entire purpose of delta time, if I'm gonna be honest.
No, this is what it should be step time kind of, so it can be, so we could do replay ability, so it's lockstep, you know.
Yeah, sure, buddy. Okay, anyways, go back to the camera, bro. You
No,
you
bro.
set
Let's
the
let's
speed
fix
to 80.
let's just fix delta time instead. All right.
Oh yeah, I have code for that. 1 sec.
But the question is like, because we want this event polling to be that we don't want to be updated every delta time. We want it to be as fast as possible, right? Or do we want it to be every? Nah.
That just happens in every while loop. That doesn't matter.
Yeah, but the actual update of the system should be every delta time when we reach this accumulation.
Don't worry about it.
I don't like when you say don't worry about it. It usually doesn't end good.
Alright, I'm gonna give you some stuff here.
Oh, I'm getting stuff. Where am I getting the stuff? Okay.
Private.
Get delta time. Oh.
Yeah, that's how the time is gotten. And also only call that once per loop, okay? Otherwise it's gonna... Yeah.
So wait, it returns
Does-
enough. What is it?
Does time instant really exist still? Wait.
I don't think so. It does? No? I don't know.
Nah, I don't think it does. Wait,
But
actually.
wait, so
But you can just change it out to STDIO timestamp.
do I need an IO then?
Yeah,
Timestamp.
you do. Yeah, yes, that's perfect. And then you pass in the IO also.
Where do I need the... Oh wait, when I initialize it.
Just set it to null, bro. Nah, it's null.
No, it has to be 0. It cannot be null. It's not an option. Or do you mean just 0? Ah. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Dumbass. Okay. Yeah, and then you do it's the now there. Yes, you set that to yes, the timestamp. I believe I did make a modern one of these, but I don't know where it is.
Yes, that thing.
Exactly. Also, by style, you know, we should put the SDIO timestamp before the equal.
I was thinking about it. But then I was like,
But
you probably
but it
wouldn't
does.
notice. And then you noticed.
I would notice. I noticed a long time ago. Yes, great. By the way, instead of doing return 0.0, we can just do delta time here. Yeah, you, like add a return. You see return
Mhm.
0.0
Return
in,
0,
in the
0.
URLs.
Ah,
Yeah,
this thing.
yeah. Instead of doing that, just do get delta time. It's like recursively.
We get stuck in an infinite loop now.
Nah, it's fine.
Wait,
It's only at startup.
what does this even do? Get delta time. You have like a structure kind of thing here, and then you have a now, which just gives the current time, and previous, you say static previous, you get whatever this thing was, and if it was
Mm-hmm.
null, wait, how previous will just... Ah, so if it is null, you will do static previous equals now. And then you will call this thing, and then it will get that, and then it will be able to get that previous. And then delta seconds, since last time...
Yeah, the scenes doesn't exist anymore though. It's another function for that now.
Yeah.
Do like now, and then duration to previous, yeah.
Wait, from to
It's fine. Doesn't matter about the order. I don't believe.
previous, like that.
Yeah, exactly. And then the duration. What does that store? Does it? It should have some fields as well.
Nanoseconds, 0 max. From nanoseconds, from
Yes.
milliseconds. format.
Yeah, what is delta time even in?
Nanoseconds, I think it is.
Is it no, but like delta
Oh,
time, the
my-
concept.
Oh, no, mine is using millisecond. No, what is this? Yeah, no, this is seconds. So milliseconds is this part. Yeah, so I store in seconds.
So we want the duration 2 milliseconds,
Seconds, I store in seconds.
but it's integers.
Now this is float.
Yeah, but the delta, the duration.
Yeah,
integers.
then it's second milliseconds in integer.
Just it's fine. Just do DTNS like in the at float from int. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just do 2 nanoseconds, or is nanoseconds? Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, should work.
Oh, so you
And
just call now every.
Just call it at the start of the while loop. Bro, it's called it delta time.
No, delta time is the const that I want it to be. I want it to. Well, this is actually lockstep time.
Well, you just call it step time, and the new one is called delta time because that one is fake. The one there, yeah. Mm-hmm. Try as well on delta time.
I knew that.
Yes. Of course.
Always. There's an error. Expected error. Oh no. Wait, this doesn't have an error?
It doesn't need an error actually. This function might not need to return an error. Fantastic.
Then we can remove it from here. Crazy. Okay.
Bro, set the camera speed to be 80. For goodness sake, bro.
I think
like
we did. I think the delta time is negative.
Is it?
Yeah.
Print the delta time. Print it.
Oh, that's funny.
Bro, negative delta time. Hell no.
Wait, shouldn't.
Oh, that's not what?
Did I do
Just
something?
remove the pause. Bro, remove the pause thing. Remove
Oh
the
no,
pause.
there it is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's negative.
Just put it to absolute.
But isn't just switching the
I think,
duration
yeah.
to previous?
Probably previous and now I switched. Yeah.
Niv.
Niv. Sounds like my favorite word,
Yes.
which is of course Niv. You know?
Yeah.
It's the best word.
It's
Yeah, but bro, set the camera speed to be like 150 or something.
I don't know.
150.
I don't think this should work here. This should not be applied. Let's see if I'm wrong or right.
No, I didn't.
But it will take effect next time you launch it. But for now, what
Bro,
more can do?
we need to add a thing for the scrolling so you can change the speed.
Well, that we can do, yeah.
Yeah,
Wait.
it's in the input eventos.
Wait, 150. You can do this, and it will that will apply with the hot reload. Well,
Okay,
it's
80. I think 80 is good, bro. Yes. Yes, you see, bro, you listen to my original. Well, okay, maybe like 50.
I think 40.
40, alright.
Still a bit fast. 20. Yeah, that's way better.
Okay, but put it to be the default also.
Maybe 5.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's way better. Oh, bro, it looks so professional when you zoom in. Bro, it actually looks like you have a real ball, but it's just shader magic.
Oh yeah, look at how slow it bounces now because
Why does it bounce so slowly? What?
because the delta time is so tiny. It's not my step time anymore.
Oh. Bro, we can figure out how much FPS you have, by the way, with this.
I usually just run render docs. Why is this
Okay.
still happening? I don't know.
I don't know.
It's
but,
irrelevant.
You wanna add speed scrolling?
We can do that next
This
time.
first. No, bro, it takes 2 seconds.
Wait, okay, wait, render docs has problems with that. Interesting. Yeah, 2000 frames.
Yes.
It has dropped by 1000. It's not good. It's because of all of the prints, alright? I'm telling you, bro.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Why is it looking so funny?
I don't ask. Bro,
But you know-
add speed scrolling. It is
Speed scrolling. Isn't that just... Then we will have
In
to
the
add that
events?
input map.
No, you don't actually.
Because how we don't have events in here.
No, you don't. Trust. Okay, just
Uh-huh.
just go in there, right? And you do after the key, just do a mouse scroll.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Great. And now you do the thing here. Yes. Yes. And then we do switch again. Actually.
We don't capture anything. Or no. Yet? No. Yet. Scroll.
Nah. I don't think we can capture here.
Okay.
Actually, we want another switch right after because there's horizontal and vertical. Bro, you can just put it directly after the
I
feather.
knew that. I was just testing you.
Testing my patience. That is okay.
Okay, well, let's be
And then
broken.
you do too bad event dot yes mouse about scroll. Yes. Not anymore. No, nothing more. Actually, you can remove the dereferencing because it's automatic.
So now it works on the
Okay.
Switch with the... Okay.
Yeah. And then you do vertical. Actually, well,
What's this a horizontal scroll? What the fuck?
it's touchpad, you know.
I don't have that.
Yeah, no, but I have that. Yes.
Okay. And
What? Bro, just do horizontal as well and just leave it empty.
that I don't know how to spell horizontal like that.
You did it.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Self
And now you
dot.
just do self speed. Yeah. And then you can capture the vertical also. You just call it scroll. Yeah. And you might have to do float cast because scroll is in F64.
Like so. And a semicolon.
Mhm.
And then a comma there.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah,
we need another comma over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not a dot, a comma.
Yeah.
And like so.
Yeah. Yeah.
So wait, I didn't scroll. I didn't even scroll, okay? Wait.
Scroll, bro.
I'm
Maybe we
scrolling.
should print the speed.
Okay, now I don't know. Yeah, we should print the speed. I don't think it's should I do it in here?
Yeah,
No,
sure.
because then we will not see it.
Yeah, I don't.
We'll do it in here.
The process is adding more and more prints.
Yes, I love them prints.
Yeah, I know you were thinking about changing the N to a D, but it doesn't matter, so it's fine.
This wasn't it supposed to be 5 actually, that thing?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, let's see. Speed. What is it? There, speed 5.
Nice, it's reloading.
Yeah, I'm scrolling, but nothing is happening.
Maybe it is horizontal scroll.
That's weird.
Wait, just print. Yeah. That is weird.
What is the scroll value? Speed plus
It's
equal.
the amount you scroll.
Okay, I will just do this.
Yeah, you should capture scroll in here also.
Damn it.
33.
No, nothing.
Maybe you need to reload the entire program.
No. This event update should be without. Let's see if I just do this, and we'll take that, and we'll save, so we get rid of all of the prints, like so. And then what we can do is we will put this in here, and what the fuck? We'll do debug, and then we'll print the speed after we have incremented the speed. Okay. Okay, there. I don't think it's max is 6 and lowest is 4 apparently. Even though the plus equal. Interesting. How is that possible?
Can you print? Wait, can you print out just the scroll value
Yeah.
instead of the speed? Bro, you can just change it out in the prints.
I was thinking of just doing both, but okay.
No. No.
This guy doesn't like anything I do. Speed.
Have you reloaded?
Yeah. I think.
You sure?
Let me change the thing to be called scroll. Scroll. -1, 1. Okay, never mind.
It says speed.
It's still in the old way. It's because of I have the diagnostic that auto compiles, in the background, so it's very confusing to know which one it is I save.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That is like plus and -1.
Yeah.
If you had a touchpad also, you could have decimal ones, but yeah.
Yeah. Why does it then, if I do plus equal to the speed, it doesn't? Fuck.
I don't know.
Do one more save. But yeah, because right now it says scroll 1, and it says plus equal float cast. Does it like round downwards somehow? That's the only thing I could think of. That would make sense.
That's so weird.
I will restart. I don't think this should make a difference, but yeah, no, it's still the same problem.
Yeah, I don't know. It's just cooked. But
Ha.
the scrolling does work technically, but not the speed, right? The scrolling works. Yeah.
Yeah, the scrolling works, but it's
So, because this shit is homemade, alright? Like I don't know what works and what doesn't work.
If you add a float, okay, what does it do with the float? I mean, it has to round it. It doesn't make any sense. This thing, right? That's just dumb.
It is dumb. But you gotta do ass also.
Why would I have to do that?
Because it doesn't know what type you want to cast it into.
That's true. F32 expression and like so.
No. Well,
No?
it's outside. You want it inside the curly brace. Is move the curly brace. One more to the right.
I knew that. Wrong brace.
Nice.
Thanks.
Nice curly brace.
Okay, let's see. No, it's still I don't understand.
Oh wait. I know why.
You know why?
Oh, no. It's so dumb. Yeah.
There's a little bit of rage baiting over there, alright?
But it's fine because we're both dumb as shit, so it's fine. You're sitting for like 5 minutes trying to figure this out.
Yeah, okay, now it works.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
Yeah, now we can go on minus speed and it will not work.
The good thing also is that we can also now get a resize event in here, so we can update the camera's aspect. Yes.
Why can it not go below minus? 1.
What do you mean?
If I try to go to minus, look, it just stays at -1.
I think it's because we're clamping the speed.
No.
No, we are. We are.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now that's
Yeah.
crazy. We don't.
You could technically clamp the speed inside of the event here, and it's less math. Yes. You put the clamp in there,
Yeah,
bro.
no, we don't do that. We leave it.
Bro,
like
you
this.
just move the clamp,
Shush,
bro.
shush, now,
Otherwise-
shush,
otherwise-
shush,
No,
shush,
no,
shush.
no.
I'm
No,
gonna,
no.
I'm gonna,
Move the clamp down, bro.
I'm gonna do this.
Move the clamp down. It's wasted CPU power.
Yeah, I know. What do we want? We want D for right?
Yes.
And then
D for right. Right for D. Yes. Spelling competition tonight.
Q for down, and E for up.
You wanna add mouse events as well? Like, so we can rotate.
Look, now we can. Okay, the up and down is
Yo.
wrong, but
That's fire. Okay, bro. Well, it's... I think that's just you being dumb. Nah, but like go up in the update.
wait, EQ should be down.
Yeah, so move this up here, bro. Yes. Just put it to be down is positive, I guess.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Why is the Y reversed? Okay, I don't know. Don't
Because
ask.
Y is negative in Vulkan, upwards.
Oh, alright, bro.
Yeah. I still hate that my hot reload because of this fucking I'm swearing now, okay? The what's it called?
Caching?
No, yeah, caching. Well, the NeoVim diagnostics when it runs is trying to auto-compile so it can run, see if there's a compilation errors. And then it also triggers the hot reloading, and then it's not completed.
Triggers
yet.
the PTSD.
Yeah, did I just win a fight? Probably you just won a fight.
Bro, now we gotta add mouse motion events so we
Yeah.
can rotate.
But for that
It's
we
easy.
no, I'm gonna hit the bed. I'm already 1 hour past bedtime.
No.
But I need to fix this thing in here in the render so the camera can also use the right actually do the transformation.
Right.
Yeah. But it's pretty fire. We got the
Sigma controls, and it
Yeah.
uses my window, which is fantastic. I love it. It's beautiful and idiomatic SIG code. Not some garbage.
it's very sexy. Yes, very much.
Very. Yes.
I am unstoppable. Yes, you are.
Today, that is.
Yes, very much.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's very unstoppable today.
let's not move its position. This will just make it static, so it will be there. Very good. You're right. Yes, and then UV. I can be UV. Color will not even be used. Wait, color is used. No, color is not used, so it doesn't matter what changes we do in here because it's in the fragment shader that it's just doing whatever it feels like doing because of T-Chef's amazing work. Crazy. What happens if you do a negative? Well, if you multiply, then it should just be reversed, right? No? I don't know where it went. I don't
Behind you, probably.
Yeah, I went backwards. I don't see it anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, now I don't know where anything is. I lost it. I lost the cube. There it is.
Bro, usually when I do the stuff like this, I also add an R buttons to use the reset.
I should probably do that as well.
Yeah, and you don't even have to store it in the camera. You can just have it in the event because we're beautiful like that.
Oh, we could do it in the camera when you press R here. You just put everything to 0.
Yeah. Well, just put it to the defaults.
So then self.transform
No,
just
I guess
equals.
transform.
Can I just
Yeah.
do it? this
It's empty. Yeah.
like so. So
Uh-huh.
now if I need to save again because it was the original one, and now if I press R, boom, we are back in that position. Woo!
Exactly.
No one is fighting me. I'm scary, I guess. I won yet another fight. Oglo the nerd, what's up? Somehow, yeah, very fire. I still have to look into why the hot reload is not immediate. Why it's well, I do know it because of Neobeam doing its diagnostics stuff.
Helix.
Yeah, I think Helix will have the same problem. I'm not sure. We could try.
VS Code. VS Code.
Well, that
VS
will also
Code.
have the same problem if you want to see the errors during.
Nano.
Okay.
Nano.
Well, there you will not
Nano.
be able to have diagnostics.
Banano.
Banana.
Bro, this is banana.
Actually,
Bro, this scene looks so professional, like it's made in Unity or something.
uh,
But it's not. It's actually just a shader. Hold on. What is that?
Let me-
What is the shadow doing? Bro.
you know what we should do actually in here with the shader objects now that we have. But I do have.
We should burn this code in hell.
Here, cool mode is what we want to do. Cool mode, backbit. So now we should be able to just. And again, it did not say the proper one.
Also, you're doing like another VK
Am I doing-
circle mode.
no, that's in this thing. It doesn't matter in here. It's just this one.
That thing. Okay. Sure.
But it didn't do it. You can still see. There shouldn't be anything inside of it. No, still. Wait. What the fuck?
Hold on. Oh, it's just a stupid garbage with your tiling window manager.
I'm so confused. No, it's fire. Look at that.
Very fire.
Why is it? Oh wait, it cannot be. I changed the wrong one. Yeah.
Oh, that's what I said.
Shut up.
That's what I said.
So let's see. But then it's. Ah, yeah, I have it the wrong way. Fantastic.
Okay, great. Bro, how is this camera so messed up? Like, what have you done to it?
I haven't done
This
it.
renderer.
No,
The
no, no, no.
renderer.
What? Wait,
Okay.
why is it moving? I'm not even pressing any buttons. Okay.
Don't ask.
It didn't reset. It didn't reset when I didn't press a button. This is bad.
Wait. If you go backwards and then you like unfocus the window,
Okay, wait. Anna.
move like
I know what you mean, but oh wait, I have to press something. Oh yeah, then it continues.
it does continue.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought I fixed that. Okay, well, it's coming in the next yes patch.
But yeah, just have the vertices wrong in the box, this thingy, for the ordering wrong of the indices.
L.
L.
Bro, when are we loading models?
Very off-topic question. Weed, cannabis. What are the consequences of smoking weed in Finland? Is it discriminatory or illegal? I actually.
You're banned from IKEA.
I actually don't know, to be honest.
Yeah, because I don't smoke weed. That's too weak for him. He only does cocaine.
I know. I invent my own crack.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, he just drinks moonshine all day.
What's moonshine?
It's like home brewed alcohol.
Ah. Yeah, I don't use that.
Very typical.
I don't use that word for it. I think it's very.
Ooh. You don't use that word for it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, delta time is so slow right now, so this is gonna take ages until we actually see. But maybe if I just change the not divide by 100, it's gonna be a bit faster.
Just saying.
There, boom.
Bro, why is that looking so good?
Because I made the renderer.
Bro. And no, bro. It's the chef's shaders.
It is the chef shaders indeed.
Bro, we gotta make our scene look like that for real, not just start a random math.
Everything is mad, bro.
Yeah, but we don't want random math.
Oh yeah, we want deterministic math.
Exactly. Nah, bro, but we want a ball we can look around. We want, to
Yeah.
be around the balls.
Yeah.
Like that thing that I sent you to.
Yeah, the balls. I mean, everyone is free to choose how they want their balls to be represented, right?
Bro, the thing I sent you though, you gotta play that on stream.
Well, I'm not gonna get copyrighted right now.
Nah, wait, like 5 seconds.
Okay, we can do 5 seconds. I'm gonna leak our DMs here.
Yeah, that's fine.
We talk about balls.
Balls. Yeah, you play it.
man
It's
wants
played
to
in
lean in-
Discord, I would say.
Oh my god.
It's from a specific timestamp, so yeah.
Yeah, it is. There.
If a man wants to lean into their balls, or anyone's balls on social media, that's entirely up to them, in my opinion. I don't think.
Yes.
Slightly out of context.
For real. That's fire. Few problems, but I think we're getting pretty good. And this render is like
Bro,
100 times better,
models.
except for this
Model
part.
loading.
No,
Yes,
we're not gonna
that's-
worry about model loading until we get to multiplayer. After multiplayer, we'll do model loading. We have to do planet generation and just the cube, and then we'll do multiplayer so we can see each other. That's basically it. Just so we can run this.
Multiplayer.
Yeah, because we need the server up and running.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, multiplayer.
Okay, but that will be it for today. I think. Wait, how many do we have watching right now? We have a whopping 6 out of you in total. That's crazy.
6, 7?
Yes. Good night. Bye bye. Okay, but that.